and I welcome you to this 2021 OG Quest, which is the 24th edition. And without wasting time, let me just introduce the team which is going to take care of you. Today, the whole anchoring session will be done by Dr. Jaya Vijayaraghavan and Dr. Vasantha Lakshmi's team. Dr. Jaya Vijayaraghavan has been a senior professor in this department for a very long time, and she's been the HOD for 2 terms in the Sri Ramchandra Medical University, and she's known for her sound academic knowledge and of course for her booming sound when she walks in, and she's one of the most favorite teachers for a lot of students here in SRMC. Not that for students, she's the most favorite for many of us, including me. And over to Dr. Jaya Vijayaraghavan for the first session to be started. Over to you, Jaya ma'am. Ma'am, please unmute your mic.
Yeah. Thank you, Dr. Palaniappan. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Very clear and loud.
Thank you for the kind words of introduction, Dr. Palani. Good afternoon to one and all. A very happy new year to all of you. Welcome to the 24th edition of OG Quest, the annual postgraduate revision course conducted at Srihar. Next year, we will be having our Silver Jubilee celebrations of the same. What started for the inmates of SRMC with a dozen students by Professor Savitri Subramaniam has grown on to mammoth proportions, and today we are close to 900 delegates who have registered from all over India. But however, this is the first OG Quest to be conducted online. This 24th OG Quest conducted by Srihar is under the HODship of Dr. Usha Vishwanath and the chairmanship of Dr. Palaniappan, both of whom require no introduction. To assist Dr. Palaniappan, we have Dr. Bona, who will be the quizmaster in the coming days, and our young enthusiastic assistants, Dr. Kritika, Dr. Sindhuja, and Dr. Divya. We have the entire program so chalked out in such a way that no aspect of the clinical and oral exam has been left out, and the team has been at it working hard since August. The timing has also been so arranged that most of you would have finished your ward work and would be able to log in at leisure. In addition to the 35 in-house faculty, we have 41 external faculty from all over India and 4 international faculty, which is the limelight of this program. And one of them being Dr. Arul Kumran, who is well known, and you will be seeing him during the inauguration. Although we have not been able to give you an edible feast, we will definitely give you an academic feast. So sit back, relax, and imbibe all you can. I pray to the Almighty for the smooth running of the program. Being an online program, it may have some hitches, but we have an excellent IT team who have left no stone unturned for the smooth running of this program. Once again, I wish you a COVID-free year and all the best for the exam-going postgraduates. With this, I hand over the mic to Dr. Vasantha Lakshmi and her team to take over the proceedings. Dr. Vasantha Lakshmi is the professor and head of unit, a quiet, efficient, hardworking, and humility personified, and a down-to-earth person. Over to you, Dr. Vasantha Lakshmi.
Thank you, Jaya ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. Let us start with the first session of 24th OG Quest. We begin with the pelvis skull OSCE, which is a